Like where did name come from?
Creativity.
Creativity?
Yeah, you need something to forget. Forget that name.
I'm never gonna forget Happy Hookers, okay? Like literally. So good job.
If it wasn't raining, I'd tell you to go look at the side of the truck, but
Oh Lord, no, it's right. What's on the side of the truck?
man, it's just the way that it,
Oh, you got a hooker on the side of the truck.
you can call it what you want, but
I want to see the side of that truck. Yes. Happy Hookers finally showed up to my house. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. It pays to have second vehicles. Okay, y'all. Because the tow truck drivers have a little communion on my. Look at my truck. Look at my truck. What a day. What a day. If it wasn't for this Crown Apple Peach. He kind of cute too, y'all. My car gone.